guys, welcome back to LAN app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix keyboard delay and input lag when gaming. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having problems with your keyboard here and it's lagging whenever you're playing, well, in this case, there is something that you do to probably solve this issue. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and make sure that your drivers that you are using for your keyboard is up to date. So you want to go to the very bottom here, go to search, just type in device manager. And in here, you want to go to the keyboard section. So you want to expand that and you want to go ahead and select all the keyboards you see here. So you want to right click on it and you want to go ahead and click on the update driver option. Now you want to go ahead and click on search automatically for drivers here and it will automatically search the latest driver for that specific keyboard. Now also, if none of those actually work, if you already updated them, search via online here, the keyboards here, what you could also try doing here is you could just right click on it. You want to go to the update driver again, and in here you want to click on browse my computer for local drivers or drivers on your computer, and you want to click on let me pick from a list of available in this case available drivers, and you want to select the available model here, click on next, and just basically do the installation or update it yourself. Now once you've done that, what we need to do next is you want to go and unplug your keyboard and plug it back in and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't work, the last thing that you could actually do here is you want to check what type of port your keyboard is actually using. So this is just an example. There's a USB 3, like a plug, and a USB 2. So the difference here is USB 3 is a lot faster. So in this case, if you do see a blue on it, it's using USB 3, and you want to plug your keyboard to a USB 3 port as well. So that indicates it. It also has that blue color on it. So you want to make sure that you match the actual USB port. So if it's using 3, make sure to use the USB 3 port on your computer. But if it's just using 2, a 2 or USB 2 port is good enough for that specific keyboard. But yeah, so if you're having input lags here, it might be because of the where you plug it. So move it around, maybe switch to a different USB port and see if that solves the issue. But if none of those actually work, then most probably your keyboard is broken. But you just need to replace that, but you should be good. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe at LAN app. Thank you for watching.